The model name on this one is going to be the Link. It is a triple stripes knife design, rose gold 14C 28N steel with red G10. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, we got wiping cloth, we got paperwork, and ooh, okay, that one's looking pretty nice, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa, we're in for a treat. All right, let's see here. Oh yeah, this is a sweet knife right here, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely. I want to say I remember when this one came out on the Kansept lineup, and in case you don't know, Tenable Knives is the Kansept budget brand or branch. And now that this is in the budget branch, even more affordable than ever, I mean, this is looking good. Now, we got exposed liners. We have grippy G10 going on here. Little pivot collar for accent matching the thumb studs. We have that rose gold, copper, sand dune, right, looking blade we're going to be checking out in a second. Sandwich construction with 2 standoffs. Pocket clip is the full size pocket clip, arguably, maybe a little too long if you ask me, but that's arguable. It is not reversible for some reason, I'm not sure why. But we have this rooster looking front flipper here in thumb studs and an opening hole. So we got quite a bit here as far as fidget factor goes. I'm going to go front flipper for the win, and the answer is yes. Right? How good do you want it? Yes, I want it. That good. Front flipper is nice, needless to say. This is a great way to implement a front flipper, without a doubt. We got thumb stud deployment, right? That's solid. Reverse flick off the hole. Oh, absolutely. Sign me up. And as far as geometry, I mean, we are looking at a gorgeous, good looking, what are we calling this? Tanto harpoon. Right? I'm going to go with that. Dual ground. The answer is yes. We got a hollow ground in this section and a flat portion right here towards the front. Should probably give it a nice little wipe here. Get them oils off. But yeah, dual ground, harpoon, tanto, right? I'm here for it. Absolutely sign me up. I am here for it. No doubt. That is one good looking geometry, ladies and gentlemen. I am absolutely digging it. It's a little bit of a Warncliffe too, right? Because the tip is actually maybe aligned with the pivot, maybe a little bit lower. So you still can get the functionality of a sheep's foot Warncliffe blade. Still have this other peak right there from a tanto. So very, very interesting to say the least. And I'm doing the slow showcase here because, again, a lot of you guys yell at me because I don't set the knife down and I move it around too much. We have milling on the inside for weight reduction. So it doesn't feel like a heavy knife at all. And as far as the ergos go, right, full 4-finger grip there. That's good. Check. And then forward choke position. That's where it's at. Thumb behind the harpoon, locked in, ready to go. Right, whatever EDC task comes your way, you are good to go. Little grip like this. That also feels pretty good. Lock and loaded. If you need to do some tip work or any drug cuts, utility cuts, you can still do them without having to bend your wrist all that much. So that's also a plus there. And as a liner, what do we have here? We have good access from the show side. That feels good. Nice chamfer liner there. Nice and easy to move to the left, push down and move to the left. And that engagement is going to be around, what are we saying here? 30%-ish, 25, 30-ish% or so. All right, as close as I can estimate with my human sight, if you would. But I mean, you got multiple deployment options here, right? It's going to be definitely a fidgety one. I do like how they implemented the front flipper, right? Some companies can definitely mess that up. I've seen that time and time again, but not here. Not here. And again, this was a heck of a solid premium knife on the Kansept lineup. Now, love to see it on the Tenable lineup. So you can pick it up for the most affordable price it has ever been at. So, digging it. The Link from Tenable Knives, absolutely, definitely look into it. 14C, 28N steel, everyone's favorite budget steel these days. An absolute home run right here from Tenable Knives. I'm telling you, ever since Kansept launched the Tenable lineup, right, and offering models at a more affordable price point, that has been a huge W for the EDC community, and I have been here for it all the way. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.